This is a wireless keyboard and mouse combo sent to me by Seenda for me to review for you. Let's go ahead and open this up. We'll take a look at it and see what its features are and try it out. Let's just check out the box really quick. Plug and play, multimedia keys, and of course their brand name Seenda. So here's the mouse. It's a nice blue color. It's like a seafoam green blue color or mint blue. And here's the keyboard. There's a manual here on the back of the mouse. And right here, there's a little place to releases this from the back of the mouse where we put the battery. And then you'll see the USB dongle here that will plug into the computer. Okay, so we're going to put the battery in. I have a battery here. We'll flip that out. Here's a AA battery. And then I'm going to take the USB dongle out that's here. I'm going to go ahead and turn that on. And now we see that there's a red light there that's on. Okay, I'm going to hold the escape key and the plus equal sign key together for 3 to 5 seconds till this battery light comes on here. Now I'll plug the USB dongle into the port here. And then the light turned off. Okay, and now you can hear that the computer just discovered the keyboard. Okay, and I'm going to move the mouse. So I see the mouse is working on the screen, and now I'm going to try the keyboard. Okay, so I've just opened up my Notepad app, and I put the font pretty big so that you can see as I type. So let's go ahead and type something. Wow, this really has a really nice touch to it. I'm not the greatest typist, but I'm sure you can see here that this keyboard works really well. It's not cheap feeling. It feels very sturdy. It has some weight to it, which is nice. It's not going to go flying real easy. So I like that. The mouse has a wheel here so that you can scroll your pages up and down. So I'm going to put a couple of carriage returns here, and I'm going to see if we can scroll up easily. Let's see here. There we go. So I'm able to scroll up and down on the screen really easy. So I like that feature as well. There's obviously the left and right click buttons here. I'll have to learn what this button is here. There's also on here multimedia buttons, so you can control music, play and pause, the stop button, your volume controls, your forward and reverse. So there's just a lot of different features right here on the keyboard. Of course, you have your Windows button, your menu button, the Windows key, the function key, and the control key, as well as the Alt key right there. All easy to get to. And plus, you also have all your function keys across here. You have a cut, a copy, and a paste button. You have your folder button. So just a lot of nice shortcuts built right into the keyboard. There's also the lock button, and there's a sleep button, settings button. This is really nice. Oh, also the calculator button right here. Okay, well, I think that's about it. I really like this keyboard. I'm sure you'll like it too.